your backseat passengers entertained with CTA Digital's Vehicle Headrest Flex Mount for tablets. This tablet mount attaches to your car's headrest to bring apps and media to your passengers' fingertips, making it an excellent fit for taxis, service vehicles, and more. The powerful metal arm is equipped with 2 ball socket joints for expansive angle adjustment and easy switches between portrait and landscape displays. The arm base clamps onto one of your headrest support rods. This unique clamp allows your tablet to be displayed directly behind the driver or passenger seats, or positioned between them. The slide grip tablet holder allows access to all ports, buttons, and headphone jacks for compatibility with card readers. This stand is compatible with 7 to 14-inch tablets, including iPad mini, 12.9-inch iPad Pro, Galaxy Tab S4 9.7, and more. The stand is also compatible with tablet cases up to 1.06 inches in thickness.